Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Welcome to Meggybeats Family TV. In today's video, I will be showing you how I make this earring. As you can see from the video, you will see how our model rock the earring. For our returning subscriber, we appreciate you. For those who are new here, please, if you are not subscribed yet, press that subscribe button, share it with your loved ones, and I know and believe that they will find something interesting in our channel. Please stay tuned and see how we do this earring. So I will pick 7 crystals. I'll bring the 2 threads together. Then I'll pick 1 pearl. Then I will fold it back. This one will go into this one will go into this. I'm coming out here, 1 here, 1 here. So let me do it now. I will drag it. So this is what we have now. In order to cover this space, I will pick 1 crystal. Then I will interlock. So let me show you how I do that. I take 1 crystal. As you can see, with any of the thread, you can use any of them to pick. Then you enter here to interlock. Voila. So in order to make it firm, so I will pass my needle through 1, 2, 3 here. Then the second thread, 1, 2, 3. So we'll both come out from this crystal here. So let's do that. Come out from the 4th one, drag, then the second needle, I'll pass through here also. This is what we have now. So I will separate my thread, you see. So I will pick one of the threads. I will pick 4 crystals on one side. Bring my 2 needles together, then I will pick the pearl. So this is what we have. I'll fold it back like the way we do the first step. Then I will pass my needle, one of the needle through this, the other one through the other side will come up here. So my 2 thread is out now, so I will drag. Pick one in order to cover this space to interlock. So I will drag. Yep. Now we want to fix the hook. So to get this top design here, so we have to put one crystal, one left, one right. Then I will use one to interlock the 2 threads together. So let's do that. So this is what we have now. I will use this one here to pass through my 2 needles. So this is what we have here now. My bead is already here. Then the next I will pick the earring hook. I will pass through here from the top. I will tie it here now since my thread is out. Then I will work with my bead, my thread now. With this, I will enter this first bead, the first crystal out. Then I will go the second one. Then I will enter here back, last one. Then I will tie again. I will decide to tie it here one more time. I will pass through the hook, earring hook. Then I will make it like this. Then drag. Then I will pass my thread through all these beads down here. I will tie once, then enter here, then I will cut. I will also do the same thing to the other side. Then I will enter this big pairs. Then I will cut. I will drag to cut. Do the same thing to the other side. This is the finishing of our work, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in our next video. Please, if you are not subscribed, please try to do that. We appreciate you. Bye.